Pugs are back. It's a little wet and muddy here at Dusty Hill Farm. So I guess our farm name is a little misnomer. Gotta pour water out of the buckets before I take care of the ponies. It was raining so hard when we left for church, we decided to wait until we got home to feed them, and they are impatient now. Thinking about getting some more chickens to put in my coop. Just haven't done it yet. Hey, maybe. Hey, Link. I'm going inside now to get you something to eat. We feed regular grass hay. I got a couple of bags ready to hang out now. And then for grain, we feed Omeline 200, which is a textured feed by Purina. And as you can see, they don't get very much. Bought myself some new rubber boots today. They're kind of cute. I got them from Tractor Supply. They got little chickens on them. If they'll keep my feet dry for a little while, that'll be worth it. It rained and the wind blew almost all night and all of this morning. So I've got some limbs and stuff to pick up. And it really made a mess out here under their shelter. As you can see over here, almost half of it's wet. They still have some dry spots, and because it was raining so hard, they stayed under their shelter and pooped under here all night long. So I've got a nice little mess to pick up, and it was nice for maybe your Link to poop in their salt too. It's going to take at least a week of dry weather for this to all soak in, because we were already saturated. Lord help us, if a hurricane turns our way, we will be swimming. They'll get their 1 scoop of alfalfa cubes to share. Move, y'all. There you go. I just throw them on the ground and they break them up and eat them. Nope, I don't soak them. Nope, they don't choke on them. They enjoy them. Now I'm going to get busy and clean up a little bit before it rains again. Thanks for watching.